Now excitement is building in Galway's hurling strongholds as the county prepares to contest its first All-Ireland final since 2018. Micheál Donoghue's Charges take on Limerick in Croke Park on Sunday. At his home club of Clarinbridge, young and old alike are winding up for a weekend to remember.
Dry sod, heaps of slitters and friends at every turn. For the hundreds of children taking part in the annual Cúl Camp at Clarinbridge this week, hurling is front and centre in their thought process.
Limerick is a good team, yeah. It'll be a hard match, but yeah, say we could win it.
There's so much excitement now around Clarinbridge, loads of flags, like good luck signs. There's loads of excitement around, so hopefully they win now.
I want to see lots of goals and lots of goals, yeah.
Definitely. I think the thing I'm looking forward to most is watching all the players now, just being out there.
I'm really proud because loads of the players are from Clarinbridge.
Who'll win?
Galway.
How are you so sure?
Because we're in Galway.
The club has 6 players on the Galway panel, including the likes of Gavin Lee, Joshua Ryan and the Nyland brothers. The involvement of manager Micheál Donoghue and others from here in the setup means the bond between the village and the team is pretty special.
It drives the club on. People put more into it when you see success coming, and then with so many kids here in this parish, let's say the Cúl Camps today, now over 300, the kids get so excited for it, and obviously they have a hurl in their hand all day, every day, you know.
These young hurlers will be watching closely on Sunday at the end of a championship that has seen Galway flourish.
Again, you know, you've the young guys coming in with enthusiasm and freshness, coupled with the experienced players, so it's grafted together brilliantly, and here we are.
The mouth-watering rerun of the 2018 final throws up any number of possible scenarios, but there's a feeling here that Galway will shade it come the final whistle on Sunday.
They're going to have to play just as well as they did against Cork, if not more, because Limerick won't fold. They'll be there coming down the home straight. But I give Galway a right chance, and as a Galway man, you're hoping that they'll get over the line.
Pat McGrath, RTE News, Clarinbridge, County Galway.